Find the best multi-game tables on Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product I scored and buy. I am going to review top 6 best multi-game tables on the market. 1. Generic 54 inches 4-inch -1 combo entertainment game table. As the editor's favorite, it's no surprise that this one blew our socks off. At first glance, you can see how visually appealing it is with its cherry wood-like body and blue cover. As the name suggests, you get 4 games in this one table, which is great if you don't have a ton of space for all separate 4. What also set this table apart was how durable it was. Unfortunately, there are quite a few products in this category which were made cheaply, and you can tell. This table can take a beating, and they've included a support brace on the legs to make sure they aren't easily compromised. The legs are not removable, however, which may make it a bit difficult if you're looking for something you can store away after use. You'll receive the 4 most popular: pool, ping pong, air hockey, and foosball. We obviously tried out each game quite extensively, so let's take a look at each. With the pool table application, we were worried the balls would be made of plastic or not high quality. Luckily, this wasn't the case at all. The included balls were made of the same material as the regular ones. The sticks are straight, but notably more lightweight than your standard ones. The felt was nice and quality, but the pockets are a bit difficult if you're an adult and don't have smaller hands. 2. Triumph 13-inch -1 combo game table. So many gamers struggle with the desire of hoarding different types of games in their very tiny space. The Triumph 13-inch -1 combo game table is a true solution to that. You get 13 different games in one table. With the wide variety of games, you can never miss something to play with your family and friends. Boring would never be a part of your vocabulary because there is so much to choose from. Imagine showcasing your archery prowess 1 minute and then challenging your mind the next minute with checkers or chess. The table is just the perfect size and can easily fit in your cramped-up man cave or basement. It is also not on the heavy side, coming in at 43 pounds, you can carry it from one place to another easily. You will get all the accessories you need to play with each game. Could it get any better? That's true value for money. It also features a built-in storage system in which you can stow away your game boards whenever they are not in use. Plus, you get a storage bag for keeping all the small game parts and accessories to avoid losing even a single important piece. With table tennis, basketball, push hockey, billiards, launch football, launch baseball, soft-tip darts, chess, checkers, ski beanbag toss, tic-tac-toe beanbag toss, archery and backgammon all in one table, the fun never stops. 3. Cat Pocky 7 feet black 3-inch -1 table. Cat Pocky is a convenient, sturdy table with billiards, air hockey, and table tennis. Coming in either a sleek tan or classic green, it'll add a bit of style to any room. When you first get the table, there will be some assembly required. This one probably took the longest to assemble out of the bunch, around 2 hours. It's not necessarily a difficult process, just time-consuming. Anyway, after this you'll have it easy with the tri-fold top technology which changes games just by unlocking the latches and flip it over. The table isn't full-sized, so it may seem a bit small for adults. The pool wasn't slate, but it did overall feel very even, which made for fair and accurate gameplay. With their hockey, the puck slid around well, but it seemed to head towards the sides quite often. If you're used to the regular-sized table tennis models, This one may very well seem small to you. The included paddles and balls were a bit subpar, so purchasing more high-quality options may be a good idea unless you're okay with that. You'll also get 4 pushers and pucks, 2 cue sticks, 2 chalk pieces, a billiard brush, and a net with a post set. Overall, the best 3-inch-1 game table latching mechanism works very well and is covered with a 1-year warranty to make sure you're fully satisfied with your selection. 4. MD Sports 12-inch-1 multi-game table. If 3 games aren't enough for you, then let's take it up a notch or 9, to the MD Sports 12-inch-1 multi-game table. This model is the perfect addition to any basement, child's playroom, or dedicated game room for adults. You'll get air-powered hockey, knock hockey, traditional foosball, basketball, table tennis, beanbag toss, archery, chess, checkers, backgammon, and dice. All of this, and you have it in one convenient, compact model. In addition, you'll get all accessories for you to properly play any of the included dozen games. Assembly is surprisingly simple, despite how many games are included. The only really time-consuming part is setting up the foosball players, and that's not even difficult. The legs are also easy to set up and attach and include 3.5-inch leg levelers to ensure even gameplay, no matter the surface. As far as appearance goes, it does look high quality. While it's not cheaply made, it's not as durable as the others on our list, so don't expect to go all out every game. The highlights here include the real airflow foosball gameplay, quality 1/2-inch steel rods with rubber handles for solid foosball grip, and a all-certified motor for airflow on the whole table surface. 5. Best Choice Products 4-inch-1 multi-arcade competition game table. The Best Choice Products 4-inch-1 multi-arcade competition game table is perfect for family game nights. Including foosball, table tennis, air hockey, and pool, there's something for everyone to make sure no one gets bored. At first glance, you can see how visually attractive this game table is. Featuring wooden construction, it's made to be durable and perfect for children and adults. When you're done playing, the games easily stack on top of one another neatly. In addition, the weight is extremely light, so you can move it seamlessly around the home to where you need to place it. Assembly is one of the easiest we've experienced, and shouldn't take more than an hour to set up. The high-quality, non-toxic MDF composition will hold up against bumps and scratches, and the 4 legs are all very stable and reliable. While there are plenty of amazing game tables out there, many of them cost quite a few $100s. If that's outside of what you're looking to spend, then you're going to love the Best Choice Products Combo Game Table. It's very budget-friendly, in fact, probably the most affordable when taking its high level of quality into consideration. 6. Funmall 4FT Multifunction 4-inch-1 table. Easily one of the best 4-inch-1 game tables out there, the Funmall 4FT Multifunction table includes a soccer table, tennis table, hockey, and pool table. While we highly recommend it for children, it's also a great size for adults. The height is around that of a dining room table, so you won't be hunched over awkwardly, uncomfortably. The construction of the table is very durable and high quality, which was part of the reason why we placed it on our list. The MDF PB material is made to be used for many years to come, while looking smooth and sleek. In addition, it's great if you don't have a ton of extra space to just keep the table out all the time. The legs easily fold up and away so you can simply tuck it away in a closet, garage, or possibly under a bed. Setting up is easy and takes just minutes to put together without needing to make any additional adjustments. The game's surface is also always very level for accurate gameplay. We did feel like the foosball setup was a bit cheap feeling, but if you're just looking for some very casual user for children, it will do just fine. The sliders glide across the table with ease, and pool and table tennis were almost perfect.
Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.